In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up custom unsubscribe in Kit. When you're sending marketing emails, the unsubscribe link in your footer is more than just a requirement. It's part of your brand experience. By default, Kit will include a standard unsubscribe link, but you might want to change that text so it sounds more like your voice, or to make it clearer what will actually happen when someone clicks it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to safely change that text while still keeping the link fully functional. First, open Kit and head over to the Email Templates section. At the top navigation, go to Send, then choose Email Templates. This is where all of your reusable email designs live. Find the specific template you want to update and click on it to open the editor. Once the template loads, scroll all the way down to the footer area of your email. This is usually where you see things like your company name, address, and that default unsubscribe link. Take a moment to confirm you're in the footer, since that's the only part we're going to change. Next, highlight the existing unsubscribe link and delete it. Don't worry, we're going to recreate it in a more customized way, but this step clears out the default text so it doesn't confuse your readers or create duplicate links. Now type in the new wording you want to use. For example, you might write, "Stop receiving these emails," "Manage your subscription," or any other clear phrase that makes sense for your audience. The important thing is that it's obvious this text is for opting out of your emails. After you've added your new text, highlight it with your cursor. Then look for the link icon in the editor's toolbar, just like you would when turning any text into a clickable hyperlink. Click that icon, and in the URL field that appears, paste the unsubscribe shortcode, double curly braces, unsubscribe_URL, double curly braces. This tells Kit to automatically drop in the correct unsubscribe link for each subscriber. Once the shortcode is in place, click Apply to confirm the link, then click Save on your template. It's a good idea to send yourself a quick test email to make sure the new text shows up correctly and the link takes you to the unsubscribe page as expected. And that's it. You've just customized your unsubscribe text in Kit while keeping everything fully functional and compliant.